We got some mini brands. 5
Mini
for $5
brands.
Now
We got mini brands.
We're not gonna open it. We're gonna open it from here. We want to open.
Mini brands, mini brands. It's the best day ever.
Yes, it is, guys. Just open it.
Mini brands, it's the best day ever.
I don't want to open it by the ceiling, so just gonna open. I'm just gonna do the different way. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, we're gonna open again.
The anticipation is killing me. Woohoo!
Gonna pop it out. Okay, guys, let's see what our first one is.
So exciting.
We got Jello.
OMG, I love Jello.
Jello. Let's see the second one.
Let's see the second one.
We got.
Oh, A1 stick sauce, right? Ooh. Awesome sauce. Get it? Awesome sauce.
Okay, next one.
What's the next one? What's the next one?
Ooh.
What is it?
What
What
we
is it?
got?
What is it? What is it?
Yeah,
Oh, Baby Bell. Oh, no, Laughing Cow. No, sorry. Yeah, Laughing Cow. Sorry, Baby
Now
Bell.
we got their checking list. You know, see what we got.
Well, we got to collect them all.
Yeah, collect them all.
Collect them all.
And
Ooh.
now let's see what we got. The next.
Philadelphia cream cheese. Woo.
Okay, last but
But
not
not
least. Let's see what we got. We got a
what is it?
scanning.
Oh, a scan gun.
Scanning gun.
Oh, we can scan our groceries.
Scan. I think, yeah, scan.
Awesome.
Awesome sauce. Get it?
Love it,
Awesome
love
sauce.
it, love it, love
Can we
it.
put the next one, or do you want to open it?
I want to open it.
Okay, I
Okay.
want to turn it then.
Okay. I want to open it.
Okay.
Don't throw that. It's dirty. I'll go again. We're going to show our dirt. We don't want people to see the dirt. No, no, no.
Yeah, our stuff in
No,
there.
no.
Opening it.
I'm so excited. I'm like a kid. I can't wait. It's Christmas. It's Christmas.
It is Christmas.
How do you?
Oh yeah, you turn it up around and pull this thing off.
Pull it off
Yeah.
like this? Okay.
Okay,
And then
now
it pops up like an orange? Or no, oh, I didn't take care of
You have
plastic.
to take the plastic off.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Hard on the fingernails.
Is it?
I need nails, and then I can probably get it easier. Oh, it's coming.
Like you press it.
Oh. Okay, first one.
Okay, first want to see what it is.
Let's see what it is. If I can get my no nail under it.
What
Oh, look at it. No peeking. Oh, what is
you
that?
got?
Lotion.
Oh my god.
No, was it Monday?
We got.
Is it lotion? I can't tell.
I didn't focus on the camera. It says don't focus.
Oh no, it says Monday.
We
Monday.
got next.
Oh, we got Xanaran, Jambalaya. We love Jambalaya.
It's a conditioner, guys.
Oh,
it's not
awesome.
lotion. It's conditioner.
Cool. That was close. What's next? This looks
What's that?
good.
What is it?
No, nude.
Nude?
Nude?
Nude.
Oh, that looks interesting.
It looks like a Lunchable.
I can't see it.
Look, it looks like.
Ooh.
But it's.
Is it like, let me see, my eyes are bad. Grandma's eyes. Oh, premium cat food. Oh, for the babies.
For the babies.
Oh. Okay, next.
The second one, the second last.
Next to the last. Oh, come on, this one's a tight one.
What you got?
Oh, something you like. Bagel bites.
Bagel. We got bagel bites.
And, oh, no, we got one more. You're right. Right. I
Last
thought we were going to.
but not
One more.
least, we got.
Here we go. And here's our list.
checklist.
And then what else is it? What else is it? Are we ready?
Yeah,
Are we ready?
What is it?
Ready? Ooh, caramels.
We
Or
got.
caramels. However you want to say it.
Guys, we got it.
Wow.
Look, we're making a collection
Look at
now.
our collection.
Look at our collection more and more and more.
Oh, it's so stinking cute. I need more.
We got a checklist to check them all off.
Mm-hmm.
We have a collection.
Adorbs. Yes, now we gotta get a little shopping cart to put them in, right?
Look at all
Yes.
baskets.
Yes.
Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.